stacking cups, filling containers, designing floors, and arranging seats. Sequences are used in different aspects of life. Today, in Math Marvel, we will talk about finding the next terms in a sequence. Consider this seating arrangement. How many seats are needed to fill the next row? Before answering this question, let's examine how the first 4 rows are arranged in the first place. The first row needed 7 seats. The second row also needed 7 seats and additional 4 seats. That is a total of 11 seats. The third row needed 11 seats and also additional 4 seats, a total of 15 seats. And the fourth needed 15 seats and again additional 4 seats, a total of 19 seats. As we go from row to row, there is a need for additional 4 seats. Therefore, to fill the next row, we will need 19 seats plus 4 seats, making 23 seats all in all. This arrangement needs 7, 11, 15, 19, and 23 seats from first row to fifth row consecutively. A sequence in which every term is created by adding or subtracting a common number to the preceding number is called an arithmetic sequence. Consider this new example. Find the next 3 numbers. You can pause the video to find a pattern. If we subtract the first number from the second number, we get 3. If we subtract the second number from the third number, we get 3. And if we subtract the third number from the fourth number, we get 3. And so, the common difference is 3. To get the next number, we add the common difference to the preceding number. 11 plus 3 equals 14. 14 plus 3 equals 17. And 17 plus 3 equals 20. Here's a different example. Find the next 3 numbers. Subtract 36 from 28, we get negative 8. Subtract 28 from 20, we get negative 8. Subtract 20 from 12, we get negative 8. So to get the next number, we add negative 8 to 12, or subtract 8 from 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 minus 8 is negative 4, and negative 4 minus 8 is negative 12. Now find the 10th number in this sequence. The common difference is 7. Adding 7 from one number to another is kind of a complicated process. We can ease up this process by using a formula. Suppose a sub 1 is the first term in the arithmetic sequence, and the common difference between terms is d. By definition, the second term is a sub 1 plus the common difference d. The third term is a sub 1 plus d plus a second d. The fourth term is a sub 1 plus 2 d's plus a third d, and so on. As we move from one term to another, the coefficient of d increases by 1. From this pattern, we derive the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Going back to our example, n is 10, a sub 1 is 8, and d is 7. The 10th term is 8 plus 9 times 7 equals 8 plus 63 equals 71. Consider this new arithmetic sequence. Find the 20th term in this sequence. The common difference is negative 3, and so the 20th term is 31 plus 20 minus 1 times negative 3 equals 31 plus 19 times negative 3 equals 31 minus 57 equals negative 26. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. See you in my next video.